Hi, I'm Kelly, a naturopathic doctor.
Hi, I'm Jabron, her son, and today we're going to teach you why we hiccup. Now that sounds like fun. Hope you enjoy.
Enjoy!
Hiccups are spasms or contractions of the diaphragm that you can't control. The diaphragm is a muscle just above our stomach and below our lungs. The diaphragm separates our abdomen from our chest. The diaphragm is the primary muscle responsible for breathing. When the diaphragm contracts, it tightens and gets smaller. When this happens uncontrollably, we get hiccups.
The involuntary contraction of our diaphragm causes our vocal cords to snap shut, and this is the sound you hear when you hiccup.
Many things can trigger this uncontrolled contraction of the diaphragm,
Such as eating too fast, eating food that is too hot or too cold, drinking soda or carbonated beverages, giggling while we eat, and swallowing air, like when chewing gum.
On average, we hiccup 4 to 60 times per minute. Hiccups usually last for a few minutes.
There's lots of ways to get rid of hiccups. Some work better than others.
Research suggests holding your breath, eating a spoonful of sugar, sipping cold water,
Or drinking water from the opposite side of the glass while leaning forward. All work in getting rid of hiccups.
While those tricks might work for some people, they don't work for me. Although there's no medical research to support these, scaring or distracting always works for me. Like if someone asks my middle name, I have to think for a moment. And it distracts me from my hiccups. Surprisingly, they stop. Or if somebody jumps out and scares me, that works too. Fun fact, animals hiccup too.
Thanks for watching!
Join us next time where we'll still continue our new series about nutrition and where we're going to be learning about what's in an apple. Now that sounds interesting.
An apple a day.
Keeps the doctor away.
See you then.
Have a good day. Bye.